Hi, I'm here at CTIA with Chad Lucian from Hillcrest Labs. Now, I've really talked to Hillcrest Labs before at cable shows because I'm used to seeing your remote technology, but tell us a little about what you're doing on the mobile side of things.
Okay, so as you know, we provide motion software for smart TV remote controls to enable pointing and gaming and gestures on the television. What we're doing now is we have developed a new version of our motion engine software for smartphones and tablets to manage all of the motion processing on these devices. So we're supplying the software that manages accelerometers, gyroscopes, and magnetic sensors to enable application developers to make much richer, higher quality applications using that data that's already available on the phones today.
So what kind of applications are we talking about? I think gaming comes to mind when I hear accelerometers.
Absolutely. So one of the bigger trends from a sensor standpoint in the smartphone market is that these devices now include gyroscopes. So it's a new sensor being added to the platforms, and it's quite a complicated sensor. With the gyroscope, gamers can have much more fine control over rotation and tilt sensing type of applications, as an example. But the motion processing also enables gestures, so I can make a sign-in motion in the air to sign into my phone, as an example, rather than doing the touch version of it. I can use simple gestures to change to flip through songs or flip through photos without having to manipulate the touch screen. So there are lots of cases where you may be driving or walking or running where it's not practical to use the screen. Gestures can be used in those places.
So that's how you use it on the phone, but can you also use the phone maybe as a remote control replacement? Is that an aspect you're looking at?
Absolutely. So with the sensor set that is in these phones today, we can effectively recreate our smart TV remote control experience when using a smartphone. So I could use my smartphone to interact with the television and control a cursor on the screen, to execute gestures that do similar actions on the TV, or even play motion games. Use my phone as a game controller, much like a Sony Move, but controlling the television set with your phone.
So in smartphones and tablets, the operating system and the hardware is always evolving. How will you continue to evolve with it and make it more robust as a remote?
Well, so today our motion engine software really is the foundational elements of motion processing and sensor management for the phones and tablets. We're also developing different software packages for cursor control, for gestures, for activity awareness, and we'll continue to build out the application level libraries and software solutions as time moves on.
Great, well thank you very much, Chad.
Absolutely, thanks a lot.